Do you know how to sum cells based on their color? Are you still sum it one by one? It might have missing data. Here are the steps to sum it up based on color. Firstly, we select all the data. Then, we press the Control button plus F button to open the Find and Replace dialog box. Click on Options. Then, under Format, click Choose Format from Cell. Then, place the cursor to pick the colored cell. In my case is yellow. Next, click Find All. Press Ctrl plus A, to select all. Next, right-click on the yellow cell. Select Define Name. Then rename it. In my case is yellow. Then, click OK. Close the Find and Replace dialog box. Finally, type equals sum bracket type the defined name, in my case I write yellow. Then, press Enter. It is successfully calculated the sum. Additional info: if you want to delete the defined name, select Formula, then click Name Manager. Here, you can select and delete the variable name that you have created. For example, in my case, I delete the yellow that I have created just now. Do you get it? If you find my video helpful to you, please like, share and comment. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.